So I'm here with Ryan. Ryan, thanks for coming along for the HLC Swiss Log Breakfast this morning. How did you find it?
Yeah, very good, very informative. It's exciting to see the interest level in automation and see where it's driving people's decisions.
Yep. Now you're in the automation sector yourself. Tell us about your role.
So I look primarily after vision systems technology as it applies to both factory and logistics distribution centers. So I do a lot of, with Amazon and the like to automate scanning operations. And when it comes to gaining efficiencies operating in a dark room, so having technology that can scan in low light or no
Mhm.
light scenarios for 24-hour operation in the dark. That's where the technology that we promote has a really solid advantage over the competitors. Yeah.
Fantastic. And I mean, sustainability is obviously a big part of all your technology as well. Did you learn some new things about technology and sustainability today's breakfast?
Yeah, I didn't realize that there was a rating system out there for industrial complexes that essentially shows you how to be a bit greener,
Yep.
and could drive your decisions. Yeah.
Fantastic. Well, I know that with your type of tech and that low light, dark room type technology, you're just going to get busier and busier. Where's Australia in your mind? I mean, I've noticed the accent as well. Where does Australia sit? In the scale of other markets?
So I come from Canada,
Yeah.
and when I arrived in Sydney in 2019, I felt a bit like I was coming from the future,
Yeah.
and I have to say I've been incredibly impressed with the uptake in the adoption of new technologies that I've seen just in the last 4.5 years,
Mhm.
and especially through COVID. The the attitude hasn't been, oh, we want to sort of block the idea and keep with the old ways. It's been, we want to change, we want to adapt, we want to do things ourselves for
Yep.
ourselves, so we don't have to rely on external markets
Mm.
in the manufacturing and logistics world here. So it's been really impressive to see how eagerly Australians are seeking out new technology, implementing it, and seeing the success.
Fantastic. Well, thanks so much for coming along to our breakfast this
Yeah,
morning.
thank you very much.
Look forward to seeing you again in another HLC event.
Sounds great.